founded in the year of 1999. WANGE Education specializes in building block toys in the past 20 years. We have our own designing team, mold workshop, injection molding machines, and QC team to conduct quality control. We have passed ISO 9001 and BSCI factory audit. All our items obtained certificates of EN 71, STMF 963, 10P, CPSIA, and CCC, etc. Our company has experience in doing business with clients worldwide and has grown into a competitive and professional supplier of brick toys. We currently have about 300 items. The world's great architectures, as one of our featured products, has been widely loved by customers in China and abroad. Santa Claus Village, which is a brand new product created by WANGE Education, is almost ready for Christmas 2020. To find more, please browse our website www.wangetoys.com. And see you at Shanghai in October 21st to 23.